This is the garden where I planted our dreams. A slower and sadder tale of unfortunate situation. Breakup.
Footprints in the snow from those winters I used to know. Divots made in the sand from the summers we always had planned. Pathway throughout the leaves. You fall into me. You blossom out of the weeds in the garden where I planted our dreams. Say I do, act I don't. She needs to lay down just for a moment though. Said I'll be yours the day you die. Amos, be yours, you'll always be mine. Hold your hand till it's numb. You left and got your fun. Did you mean what you said? Did you blame just yet ahead? Use your actions to speak. Your actions want to leave. You walked away with such ease. How it didn't hurt, I'll never believe. Say I do, act I don't. She needs to lay down just for a moment though. Said I'll be yours the day you die. Amos, be yours, you'll always be mine. Said I'll be yours.
You left the next day.
What did I do?
Why did you go away?
Am I still yours?
Or was I too fast?
Am I still yours?
We weren't built to last.
Say I do, act I don't. You need to lay down just for a moment though. Said I'll be yours the day you die. Am I still yours? You'll always be mine. Am I still yours? You'll always be mine. Am I still yours?
You'll always be mine. This is I Can't Run. Is everybody ready? Take it away, captains. A toxic breakup leads to a stalker, and well, you're just left feeling like you can't run, really.
There are scribbles on the page. Incoherent thoughts, looks like his brain. What he can't see is him without
this is Noelle. Noelle is once again another breakup song, but this time breaking up with your boss. Because we all hate our boss. Right, guys? Our boss sucks. And this is Noelle.